To get monetized on YouTube partner program. The partner YouTube. To get monetized on YouTube, join the YouTube partner program. Lower the tier requirements. 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in 90 days, 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million shorts views. For fan funding, full revenue requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 10 million shorts views. Note: watch hours and views requirements are for new revenue application double to 8,000 to 20 million views starting February 1st. Eligibility requirement: subscribers minimum 500 subs, fan funding 1,000 subs for ads. Watch time views 3,000 hours past year, or 3 million shorts views in 90 days. For one tier, 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views for tier 2. Channel rules: original content complies with YouTube community guidelines. Account safety: active 2 verification, Google linked. How to apply: open YouTube Studio, click on the Earn tab, left, Progress Metrics, and click Apply Now. Connect your Google AdSense account to get paid. Submit the channel review. What type of content do you plan to create on long form and shorts? How close are you to subscriber watch hours? Join the YouTube Partner Program to get monetized. Multiple ways to get monetized: dedicated support, invite only, private forums and communities, content detection tools, exclusive recur. Are you eligible for join? Applying for the YouTube Partner: 500 subs, 3 qualified uploads in the past 90 days, 3,000 qualified watch hours, long form videos past 365 days, 3 million qualified shorts in the past 90 days. For this, it's a 500. How to apply for YouTube? Channel membership, supers, YouTube creator partner, gifts, and shopping. To unlock more features: 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours, long form, 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Channel membership, supers, YouTube creators partners, gifts, shopping, ads, revenue, YouTube revenue. The best way to get monetized on YouTube is to make content consistently. In other words, don't make video once a month. That's not gonna do it. You will have to try, if you can, upload 2 videos per week. That'll help you get monetized faster, and also make content that people want to watch. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and help me get monetized for before February 1st. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.